Are you a copywriter feeling anxious about the rise of ChatGPT, or worried that AI tools will replace you and leave you out of work? Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why copywriters shouldn't be afraid of ChatGPT. And I'll tell you about the real threat that is something that we all need to be paying attention to instead. Reason number 1, why copywriters should not fear ChatGPT. Business owners don't have the time or interest to learn how to use ChatGPT. They're far too busy running their companies and doing a million different things on a day-to-day basis. Successful CEOs don't think about how to do something. Instead, they think about who can I hire to do it for me. So they're not sitting around thinking, how can I use ChatGPT to write my content? They're thinking, who can I hire to write all of our content so I don't need to think about it? Some business owners don't even care who writes their content as long as it gets the result that they want, whether that's more traffic, more sales, or clients. Reason number 2, why copywriters should not fear ChatGPT. Let's be honest, some business owners really struggle to communicate what they want. I mean, a client once asked me to just write something fresh, and another one asked me to just be creative. Not exactly helpful, right? Well, guess what? Business owners don't know how to communicate with ChatGPT either. And just like any tool, AI is only as good as the person operating it. As human copywriters, we are able to ask the right questions to uncover the message that our clients are really trying to communicate, something that ChatGPT struggles to do. Reason number 3, why copywriters should not fear ChatGPT. As copywriters, we bring more to the table than just our writing skills. We can help business owners come up with a winning marketing strategy as well. And that's because a skilled copywriter is not just a writer, but also an advisor who can suggest what pieces are needed in a marketing campaign to help the client achieve results. For example, a business owner might think they need a video script written, but what they actually need is copy for their entire sales funnel. This kind of strategic perspective is something that ChatGPT simply can't replicate on its own. Reason number 4, why copywriters should not fear ChatGPT. As human copywriters, we have empathy. We can infuse emotion into our writing, making it connect with the audience on a much deeper level. Unfortunately, ChatGPT just can't replicate empathy. It often falls short when it comes to creating copy that truly resonates with an audience. Sometimes the AI voice can sound robotic, cold, and even lacking of human emotion. Reason number 5, why copywriters should not fear ChatGPT. Yes, AI has come a long way, but it's far from perfect. ChatGPT can sometimes produce information that is misleading or just factually incorrect. Luckily, as copywriters, we have the research skills and the ability to verify information. Ironically, the biggest threat to copywriting isn't ChatGPT or any other AI tool for that matter. It's actually other copywriters who already understand how to use and harness these tools to supercharge their writing skills, their effectiveness, and their productivity. So don't be afraid to learn, adapt, and collaborate with AI technology as we navigate the ever-changing world that is copywriting. For more copywriting tips, subscribe to the channel.